1023.com. We're going to go ahead and bring in 23 ABC's Leah Pizzetti in for Allison Gargaro tonight. We're taking a look at the temperatures. We are warming up.
Yeah, Jess, we are. It's going to be a hot week ahead, and that's thanks to this guy right here. This high pressure is just stuck over California, and it's not going anywhere for the next couple of days. So it's doing a couple things. It's causing those temperatures to increase. It's also hindering our air quality. A combination of that and these very low wind speeds that we're going to see tomorrow mean that our air quality is jumping up into the moderate range, about 30 points. So we went from good today to moderate tomorrow, an AQI of 80 in store, and I'm expecting that to worsen over the next couple of days as our temperatures continue to climb. So tomorrow, pretty mild. We are above average for tomorrow, but compared to what's to come, this is nothing. So we're in the mid 80s for tomorrow. 84 degrees expected in Bakersfield. Clear, sunny blue skies as we saw today, and as I said, very mild winds in store across the county. Lower 70s expected for our southern mountains. 73 degrees into Tehachapi and Fraser Park, and then hanging out right around that 80-degree mark for our Kern River Valley. Once again, sunny blue skies for our mountains and our deserts as we head into the 80s for our desert communities. Looking like our warmest temperature, 87 degrees in Ridgecrest for tomorrow. A lot of fun events in store. So Tehachapi, good place to escape the heat, especially at 6 a.m. 43 degrees. That's nice and cold as our fishing derby starts on up. And then by 1 p.m. warming up to 73 degrees, but still staying nice and mild. So Tehachapi would be a good place to go to escape the heat. If you're going to the Mac and Cheese Fest, get ready for a warm afternoon. As that event starting up, 81 degrees in store, and then 80 degrees as we're wrapping up, but we are hitting that peak of about 84 degrees in between that. So certainly going to be a warm day. Drink lots of water, bring lots of sunscreen, and this is just the beginning. Sunday, we do jump up to 90 degrees. Sunday and Monday, both looking at breaking through those 90s, but not setting records actually. Previous record on Sunday was 98 degrees set in 2012. For Monday, 100 degrees in 1910. Thankfully not that warm yet, but 90 degrees is still above where we should be. Then the rest of the week, we do see a slight cool down, but we're still hanging out in those 80s above average for the remainder of the week. For the Kern River Valley, 79 degrees for tomorrow, and then we do jump up to those 80s, staying in those lower 80s through the week before cooling down to those 70s by Thursday, Friday. Tehachapi, 73 degrees for tomorrow, staying in those upper 70s before jumping on down to those 60s by Friday. Fraser Park, same thing. We will see some slight breezes hanging out for those mountain communities, but nothing out of the ordinary. No gusty winds like we saw this past week.
Thank you, because my allergies have finally started to settle down, and I want them to go away.
I know.
Completely.
I don't know if they'll go away. But
no, probably not. They never do. But the wind doesn't help when it's around. So
yes.
I'm glad it won't be around
yes.
anytime soon. All right, well.